this is the DIY Magician, and I'm back in my workshop. As you can possibly see, it's changed a little bit. In fact, I've got some neat little doodahs on display now. I have my little sign right here, and I am working on organizing the shop. In fact, that is what today's tip of the day is, or quick tip. It's how to organize. It's simple. If you've got too many of one thing, you have to, just like that, organize them into one spot. I've got a whole pan of roofing nails here. I've got a box of silverware knives. The forks and spoons are right here. Over here, nuts and bolts. What do I have over here? Some more roofing nails. I even have a whole tub of hinges. That's what you do. If you've got a messy shop, you need to organize it. So everything's laid out, everything's spread out, and I'm actually putting things in little containers. I've got old peanut containers here. Looks like I've got a Ovaltine right here. This is an old water bottle I found from a place there. This is a nut can from Costco. That's what it was. So the quick tip is organize. It makes it quicker and easier for you to do your job, and everything works smoothly. Thanks again, guys, for having me here, and thank you for those of you who returned to watch my silliness. Thank you for those who are new to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. That way we can get you all the updates before anyone else gets to see them. Thank you again. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time.